Each test includes 3 QFT blood collection tubes for each individual being tested. The nil tube with a grey cap is the negative control. The TB antigen tube with a red cap is coated with TB-specific antigens, and the mitogen tube with a purple cap is the positive control. Each tube is manufactured to draw 1 milliliter of blood and performs optimally within the range of 0.8 to 1.2 milliliters. The black mark on the label indicates the 1 milliliter fill volume. Under or overfilling the tubes may lead to erroneous results. There is no specific order required for blood collection. However, a commonly used fill order is nil, TB antigen, followed by mitogen. Collection and individual identification details are to be recorded on each of the tubes. Standard blood handling precautions should apply during the blood collection process. Collect 1 milliliter of blood via standard venipuncture directly into each of the blood collection tubes. It is important to note that the QFT tubes draw blood relatively slowly. The vacuum in the tubes is such that the tubes will draw only 1 milliliter of blood. Keep the tube on the needle for 2 to 3 seconds once the tube appears to have completely filled to ensure the correct volume is drawn. Collection can be either by a straight needle or butterfly collection set. If a butterfly needle is being used to collect blood, a separate purge tube should be used first to ensure that the butterfly tubing is filled with blood. This is to compensate for the small vacuum in the QFT tubes, hence ensuring that the initial QFT tube will draw the correct volume. The inner walls of the blood collection tubes are coated with heparin and stimulation antigens. It is important that these dried components are thoroughly mixed into the blood immediately following collection. This is achieved by shaking the tubes up and down 10 times, as demonstrated here. Proper shaking will ensure that the entire inner surface of the tube is coated with blood, and frothing of the blood should be expected. Over-energetic shaking of the tubes can result in the gel dislodging and mixing into the blood. This can result in erroneous results and must be avoided. Until the incubation stage,